Hey guys, remember to subscribe for new videos.
Hi guys, Captain Starlight here. So glad that you could join me today. I thought that I would share some hacks with you for my favorite thing of all time, taking a nap. But make sure you hang around to the end to get my super secret nap hacks. Okay guys, first nap hack. Stay away from screens for at least 15 minutes before you have your nap. Whoa. I mean like after this video. Yeah, there you go. Now, I know what you're thinking, Captain Starlight, but that's impossible. What could I possibly do for 15 minutes? Well, there's lots of things. You could clean your room, maybe? Or you could look out a window. Look, I don't know, but it will definitely make you nap better because your brain will be relaxed. Hack number 2, find somewhere comfy to nap. Now, I know a dog's bed looks really comfy, and it is for a dog. But if you find somewhere comfortable, you will nap better. And I mean comfortable, make sure that it is dark, that it is quiet, and that it is soft, and you will have an amazing nap. Trust me. Okay guys, hack number 3. Here we go. Think of nice things while taking your nap. Think of the beach, or of leaves falling, or of kittens playing. This will help your brain to unwind and drift off into an amazing nap. Okay guys, now it is time for my super secret nap hack. Make sure you eat heaps of sugar just before you have a nap. You will... Hello? Yeah? Oh, right. Oh, okay. Thanks. Bye. Don't do that. Actually, don't do that at all because you'll feel super gross and you won't nap well. It'll be the opposite of what you want. There you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed these nap hacks. I hope you get a lot out of them. And if you did, and if you liked them, make sure that you like and subscribe to Fun with Captain Starlight. And guys, we will see you next time. See ya!